you know that you have to pass the exams, right? So
Yes,
without
ma'am.
that, I don't understand actually what is going on in your mind. Okay, 23 have joined now. So, last for the puja holidays, I gave you one task of writing your goals, okay, in a piece of paper. So have you all done that?
Yes, ma'am.
Everyone? Today Suraj is present. That doesn't mean that only he will speak, okay? He's not. He's the class representative. He's not your like personally. He is not representing anyone. Viprajit, Arnab, Jahanavi Datta, Lakshajyoti, are you all present?
Yes, ma'am.
So what happened? কথা নোকোৱা কিয় ক্লাছত?
নহয় মেম হেডফোনডাল লগাইছিলোঁ মানে মেম মেম একচুৱেলি লাষ্ট ক্লাছত মই এবচেণ্ট আছিলোঁ চ' মেম এতিয়াহে গম পাইছোঁ আপুনি যে কিবা টাস্ক দিছিলে কৰিবলৈ
Okay. Oh, yeah. You were absent. I think you informed me about it. Yeah. And Arnab?
মেম চ' মেম
Uh,
Yes, ma'am.
so you were present, I suppose, in the last class.
Yes, ma'am.
Have you
Yes,
written
ma'am.
the goals?
Ma'am, actually, I forgot to write.
When I give you the task, why don't you complete it that day itself? Viprajit, Subhajyoti,
Yes, ma'am.
মানে too casual আৰু ন? কৰিছা নাই? Have you done it?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So you all do one thing. You in the chat box, you all paste it. I mean, you'll take a short screenshot and here in the chat box, can you share? Pictures cannot be shared, I suppose, right? So at least
Yes,
write
ma'am.
two or one goal. Okay, whatever you have written, write it down. All of you who have done that task.
In the chat box, ma'am.
Yes, in the chat box you have to write it. Now,
Okay. Okay.
I'll give you 5 to 7 minutes. Write down. All of you has to write. And if you have forgotten what was the question all about, I'll give the question here in the chat box again. Wait. I'll give the question, then you start writing. Yes, can you all see the question in the chat box? Check the chat box, everyone. Yes or no?
yes
Yes,
ma'am
ma'am.
Okay,
But
others?
questions
Ani,
is different.
what was the question? Last question what I gave.
Ma'am, you gave that what is a goal or aim in life? What
Huh.
what are you planning to do after your BTech?
It's similar only, huh? You write this now.
Yeah.
Okay.
Right, this one or that one? Previous one.
Anyone you can write. I will just see the answers and I
Okay,
can
ma'am.
get to know. Okay. Yeah.
Okay, ma'am. Okay.
Write it down. It should be specific. Yomgam Taji. To fight and achieve for what? What happened, everyone? I cannot see anyone's answer. I told you to write it in the chat box.
Ma'am, written. Wait 2 minutes.
Okay. Lakshajyoti 085. Pooja Das.
Yes, ma'am.
Why you are not writing? What happened to all of you? Have you seen the question?
Ma'am, लिखिए.
और
Yes, ma'am.
लिखा? Hmm. I can see some answers. Others, Roshanta, Roshmita, write down your answers quickly. After that, I'm going to start the topic. Okay, I can see some answers. So what I found is some job, like some goals actually, are specific, and some goals are not that specific. Okay. Now you will ask me, yes, students, am I audible properly?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Okay. So this goals that I can see that some wants to get an engineering job in district, then some has uh, they are talking about gate, they want to qualify it, then some are there like to help some needy person, then to be independent and to build inner confidence that I can bear the responsibility. Now, like as I said, the first answer was about to fight and achieve. Look, that is not specific, okay? Because to fight and achieve for what? Okay, you have to be specific. Then like this one, Suraj has written. So basically, my goal or aim in life is to be a well-known oil engineer. So for this, I'm planning to crack GATE example because it will give good opportunities. How much I know, so my focus fully on the GATE exam first. After cracking, I want to try for. So this one is very specific. Okay. So his target is GATE exam. Okay. So goal is also you can say as a target that you want to achieve, but the planning, the paths that you will follow while you are moving towards your goal or aim or target, whatever you want to call it, uh, in soft skills or to develop it, we call it goal. Okay, because that goal setting, as we say, that has to be developed. Okay, that doesn't come in a day. You might think that okay, I'll become an engineer, but of course you have to plan a lot of things to become an engineer, right? So how to do that planning? As we'll learn today. So I'll be sharing my screen. So is my voice breaking? Anything? Any complaints?
No, ma'am. No.
Okay.
No, ma'am.
Okay. And then let me just share the screen. Wait for some moment. Can you all see my screen?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Everyone, please confirm if you can see the screen or not.
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, we can see.
So here, I think Jom is giving a very interesting answer. I will get back to it later. But yeah, so why setting the goal? First, you have to know that why we have to have a goal, okay? Like you must know the importance of something or someone in your life, right? So just like that, you also have to know why it is important to have a goal, why to set a goal. That gives you a long-term vision and short-term motivation. Like a vision that you want to become an engineer or you want to become a successful person, okay? So that vision, that future that you can see gives you happiness and the motivation that every day there's a motivation, there's a drive that gives you, that pushes you towards your goal that you have to achieve that. Okay, so motivation is very important and self motivation is a thing that of course if you have an aim then only it comes, otherwise you are not motivated, you are not seeing that future, and if you are confused about it or if you are not able to visualize it, then of course there's no motivation, because why will you do that? Okay, because there might be a lot of problems in your life, lot of hindrances in your life, but then you have to overcome them. And when you can do that with a calm mind, when you are motivated towards your goal, that okay, I have to achieve it. Okay, so that is difficult. Okay, that is difficult, and you have to develop it. So that's why you have to first identify what you want to do and you have to set it. And after that only you go towards it. It focuses your acquisition of knowledge and helps you to organize your time and your resources so that you can make the very most of your life. So see, I don't want to go on reading all this, okay, because the points that you'll read, the things I will say today, of course, the recording also you can find it out. If you see that, you can relate to all the points mentioned here, okay? So the knowledge, the resources, your time, okay? So whatever you are investing, you also give a focusing, okay? Because see, now you are in the classroom here doing an online class, and but your focus might not be here, okay? But when you are planning to do something serious, okay, so what you do is you actually seriously invest your knowledge there and your time there and your resources, okay, so that you can make the very most of your life. So that motivation is only possible if you set a goal. Now it also allows to measure your progress, because now if you have not set a bar for yourself, okay, students, are you able to hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Huh. So if you have not set a bar and you are just happy with whatever percentage, whatever marks, whatever things you are getting in your life, that means you are okay. That is also fine. That attitude is fine. But without a goal, you do not know where to reach. Okay, what is your ultimate reaching point? Okay, so the progress that suppose you need to improve, okay, so now this class, now if you need to improve in your vocabulary, in your presentation skills, or you are not a good speaker, you are not smart enough, so what you have to do, you have to check on your progress, that after this class what I have learned, what I did. So why will you do that? Because to crack an interview or to get into a job, you have to have confidence, right? So for that only, you have to check on your progress every day or every week, so that you reach that target, that yes, I'm going to crack an interview at one go. Okay, so it not only requires your smartness or confidence, of course, your knowledge about your subject is also very, very important. Okay, so these things, if you set it, it motivates you, and goals helps you achieve your. Just a second. Just a second, I something went wrong. Can you see the screen? Students, can you see the screen?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, wait a second. Now, this line, okay, that is written here, a goal without a plan is just a wish. Means it's like a dream. Yeah, can you hear me? Any network issue going on?
Yes, ma'am, we can hear you, ma'am.
Okay,
Yes,
but
ma'am.
yeah, so please be responsive. Otherwise, I don't understand whether you can hear me or not. So, what do you understand by this line is, if you do not set a goal and if you do not have a plan in your mind, it's just a dream. Now, suppose I want to buy a car, okay, or if I want to become a director of some company or something like that, okay, very, very huge expectations I have. But if I do not work on it, so that is a dream for me, right? And that will remain a dream, right? Now I will tell you one thing. I'll just give a simple example, okay? I'll not go into a professional front, because professionally you all become very serious, okay? So if I say that you want to meet a particular celebrity that you have been a fan of, okay, and you think it's not possible, he's not even staying in my place, he's out of this country, uh, i might I might like him, but yes, that is possible. If you actually love that person and you actually want to meet that celebrity, then you have to strive for it, right? And that planning will one day you can reach to that person. So you have to get all the resources, all the connections. So if you think that, okay, I have this dream, I have this goal to meet my favorite actor, but if you're not doing anything, of course it's a dream and it will remain a dream. Yes, understood? I think you all are getting that what this line means actually.
Got it, ma'am.
Got it. Okay. Now, what are the types of goal? Okay. Now, this is very important to know because to identify, as I said, first of all, you have to know, is your goal a short-term goal or a long-term goal? Okay. Now, what is a short-term goal? It is something you want to do in the near future. Near future means just after your BTech, you want to. The near future can mean today, this week, this month, or even this year. Okay, now suppose short term means suppose you are working on your communication skills. Okay, so you really want to speak well. So what you'll do that next month the presentation is there, and you'll work on it from today onwards. That I have to speak very well, and I have to take some measures. I have to talk to my teacher. I have to sit with my teacher and deliver the talk again and again. Okay, I have to practice a lot. So this is a short term goal. That what is your goal? Next month the presentation should be excellent on your part. Okay, and the long term goal will be that goal which takes a long time to achieve. Like as I said, the goal that that you all have mentioned in the chat box. Okay, so to achieve that, that planning is required. Okay, and short term goals also have their own set of plannings, and long term goals have their own set of plannings. Okay, this formula, okay, this is a formula actually, and if you know this and if you actually put it into your brains, I'm sure everyone, at least in your near future, you can go through it again and again, and you can just put it on your mind that yes, if I follow this rule, okay, this formula, at least even if I don't have a goal today, I will make it and I will make it achievable. Okay, so for SMART goal, what is a SMART goal? S stands for specific. Now you have to find out that after BTech, do you want to continue do a job or continue with your masters or something else specific? Okay. Then M stands for students. Am I audible?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Then M stands for measurable. Now, you are an engineering student, okay? You all know how much capacity you have in yourself. Now, Suraj has spoken about GATE exam, and I hope you know, Suraj, how much hard it is, okay? How much study you have to do. If you do not have it in you, if you cannot reach to that level, so you should not keep on working on it and wasting your time in that, okay? But if you are confident that yes, I have the marks, I have the ability, then only you go for it, okay? Now, suppose I am a trainer here, and I will say that I'm not a dancer at all, okay? Now, if I want to participate in a dance competition, that is not measurable for me, okay? I cannot learn dance in 2 3 months and I cannot join the competition. I have to understand this, okay? So someone is dancing and participating in a national level competition, so that doesn't mean that I will make myself like that. And of course, if I don't know, I will look like a clown, right? And that is the case of like crow keeping their peacock feathers, okay? Putting the peacock feathers and dancing like that. So it should be measurable, okay? You should know. Achievable, again, the if I say that achievable in the sense that the same thing, I know that I'm not a dancer, I cannot achieve that point, and I have to know myself actually. This is there, this these things actually are related to personality development also. You have to know as an individual what kind of personality do you have, how much what are the qualities, what are the traits uh, you have in yourself, okay? So achievable, you should make it, okay? And do not go you cannot say some things very abnormal, and that goal if you have that will be abnormal, and that can actually create sometimes a problem because you cannot reach it. And after that, frustration will creep up in your mind and you'll get depressed. Okay? Then it should be achievable. Now you are doing engineering. After that, what? Of course, someone has written he'll open a firm. I like that consultancy firm. So those things are in your mind. That is achievable. You have a plan. Okay, I'll do that somehow. But I will become an IAS officer. But what are you doing to become an IAS officer? You're doing nothing, right? So that way you cannot achieve it. So think before you set your goals. Realistic, of course. As I said, becoming a dancer or singer, if you are not a good singer and you think that you want to achieve a goal to become a singer that is not realistic for you, then to become something else like uh, what to say, to go into space, to go to touch Mars. So all these are not realistic things, and you should not be thinking. In social media, we see a lot of things nowadays happening, but you first should understand yourself that are you are you that person that can achieve this goal, and is this realistic from your point of view? Okay, then timely. Time is very important here. Now, I'll give you an example like suppose that goal that you have mentioned, everyone. Okay, so now if you think it is as a dream, it can take up to 10 years, 5 years. But if you want to be realistic, okay, if you want to be, uh, you actually want to achieve that, then what you have to do? You have to finish it within a time. Okay, so you cannot hang on other people, you cannot hang on your responsibilities. So if you follow this 5 points, okay, which is known as the SMART formula. So if you go through this SMART, specific, measurable, achievable, realistic, and timely, that way you can plan it very well. Okay. Now here, how to set goals. Can you see the screen, students? This one, can you see? Steps to set goals.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So, as I said only first, that identify the goals, then the arrow comes set objectives. Objective means point wise, what is the purpose actually of this goal. Then list obstacles. What are the problems that you might find while you know, go for that job or go for that target. Then develop. Then number 4 is identify people, the ones who can help you, ones who cannot help you. Okay, ones who cannot help you, you don't have to, you know, be revengeful towards them or, you know, or also waste your time. Just eliminate them, and the ones who are there with you, concentrate on them. Okay, then list skills. Okay, what are your qualities right now, what you are good at? If you're technologically sound, give that communication skills, presentation skills. Okay, you have a great personality, all those things that will actually help you in future. Develop a plan. Now you have to stepwise develop a plan. Okay, that how will I go through it? That suppose you are not good in computers, so you will have to take up a course. Okay, so that's how. Then after completion of the course, then you have to practice a lot to get that designated position that you want, which requires computer knowledge. Okay, so that planning has to be done in accordance with your needs. Okay, then number 7 is list the benefits, that if you are going to achieve this goal, after that what? Because sometimes what happens, you identify everything is over. After that, you do not see the advantages. You do not actually, yes, becoming an engineer is a great thing, right? But after that, will you be happy? What are the benefits that you will gain from it? You have to know that, okay? Because I think all of you have gone through that movie, Three Idiots, right? Yes or no? Have you watched that movie?
Yes, ma'am.
थ्री इडियट्स सबने देखा है ना? इंजीनियरिंग स्टूडेंट्स ने तो देखा ही है.
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ. Okay, so what happens there is this guy, he knows that after becoming an engineer, he'll not be happy and there's no benefit out of it. So he leaves. So same case here, okay? So that was a very realistic and nice film, and I'll give you that example to each and every student that if you do not have it in you, leave it. And if you have, then work on it, okay, to improve. Clear? Steps to set goals. I think it's over. So, do you have any questions, students? I'll share this, okay, in the group. Don't worry. Okay, 32 participants are there suddenly. So, all of you get an idea how to set your goal. Yes, no, kuch bol do. That's what you can do, na? Because you all really don't want to waste your words and valuable time on this class, right?
Yes, ma'am. Already set.
Okay. Then Lobson, Das, Livika, Zimo, are you all there in the class physically or just logged in and just gone somewhere? Today, I think my voice was not breaking, na?
Ma'am, it's clear.
Then others are sleeping or what? Because of the weather?
Don't know. Don't know.
Livika, Lenskar, Nabam, Prashanto, Pritam Jyoti Das. क्या हुआ? Jahnavi?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Oh, you all are there. Okay, okay. Jahnavi কি আছে তোমার?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
ma'am,
ma'am.
হৈয়ে
We are
আছে.
hearing you.
Just মোৰ মানে আজি নেটৱৰ্কটো বেয়া হৈ আছে সেইকাৰণে.
Oh, network. So, what did you understand? Did you understand whatever I explained about goal
Yes,
setting?
ma'am.
Okay. So, do you have any questions, students? You can ask me without any hesitation because it will really help you. And the last one, this one is a big one, okay? Because I plan to get a stable job and support my parents. Okay, then Yom Jom, C. Okay, C, my God. Okay, Yom Jom, Taji. When you're writing something, do not make it look like a conversation, huh? And this meeting is ending in 5 minutes. Okay.
Actually,
I believe in
actually,
goals
it was
where
like
people
past 6
possibly
minutes, so that's why.
dreams and work hard to earn it. More often, I can see and hear there a lot of successful personalities in their own world and in perspective manner. I like business a lot, so why not after my graduation? I want to become a public figure. Oh my God, you have many goals. Okay, that's good. Multiple goals can be there, but the planning should be different for each goal. Okay. Though it throw it and achieve what I mentioned earlier, so to serve public and myself. All right. Okay, so I'll quickly take the attendance, students. I'll share this nice PPT with you all in the group. There's only 5 minutes left. I'm warned by the thing. Okay. 59, Dhruva Wait,
Present, ma'am.
quickly. Suraj,
Present, ma'am.
Tabit,
Ma'am, 59 present.
Present, ma'am.
61,
Ma'am,
present.
Tabit present.
Tabit present. Then 64,
Present, ma'am.
68,
Present, ma'am. 68
69.
present, ma'am.
Yeah, I can hear. 69, 70.
Present, ma'am.
Lancer, what happened? Not well or what?
No,
TK,
ma'am.
not well. Then sleep. TKNS Tripura, 71. 72. This Tripura, he was present, I think. What happened? 71? 72? 73? 74? 75, 76,
Present,
77,
ma'am. 76.
77, Arnab Das.
Present, ma'am. Present, ma'am.
17,
76. Present, ma'am.
yeah, I can hear. 79, 80, 81, 82, 83,
82 present, ma'am.
okay, 83,
81 present, ma'am.
okay, 81 present, 82 present, 83 is also present. Temshunla Imsong. Then 84, Pritam is present. Lakhojyoti
Present, ma'am.
Soliha, 85.
Present, ma'am. 85 present.
কি হ'ল মাতি থাকিলে নোকোৱা কিয় তেনেহ'লে যেতিয়া কুৱেশ্যন সোধো তেতিয়া নোকোৱা এটেনডেন্স দিবলৈ কোৱা
No, ma'am. Barbara is actually.
সেই কৰা খালি জাহ্নৱী 86
Yes, ma'am.
87 Hey, they have left or what? Pinav J. Sharma Bordoloi, these people. Some are not attending any class.
Actually, ma'am, Pinav left the college.
Oh. 89, 90, 91, 92,
91%.
92,
Ma'am, 90
present,
present.
ma'am.
92, present. 93. Yeah, I gave.
Hello.
Yeah, Yom
Okay,
Yam
thanks.
Taji, I gave. This 93, 93, 94, 95, 96,
Present, ma'am.
95 present, ma'am.
97.
Hello, ma'am.
I
95 present,
I
ma'am.
got it. Yeah, 97, 100,
Present, ma'am.
Kabak. Okay, wait, then 110.
Ma'am, roll number 103. Present, ma'am.
Just a second, I'll come to 103. Right now, I'm saying 110, na? You wait for your turn. 110, 111,
111 present, ma'am.
112, 113, 114, 103, present, Viprojit.
Present.
105,
Present, ma'am. 105.
Rahim.